Companies Act, Section 458, Delegation of Powers and Functions by the Central Government. Section 458 of the Companies Act, 2013 plays a significant role in ensuring smooth implementation and effective enforcement of corporate laws in India. Since the administration of the Act involves a wide range of regulatory, supervisory, and decision-making functions, it is neither practical nor efficient for the central government alone to handle every matter directly. To avoid administrative bottlenecks and delays, this provision allows selective decentralization of authority. This section empowers the central government to delegate certain of its powers and functions under the Act to other authorities or officers, ensuring efficiency, wider reach, and timely regulatory action across various jurisdictions. 1. Authority to delegate powers. The central government, through a formal notification published in the Official Gazette, may delegate any of its powers or functions under the Act. Such delegation can be directed towards specified authorities such as the Regional Directors, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, SFIO, National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, etc. Specific officers, including officers from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, the Registrar of Companies, ROC, or other authorized officers. However, this delegated authority has a key restriction. The power to make rules under the Act cannot be delegated. Rulemaking remains exclusively with the central government, safeguarding legislative intent and uniformity in regulations. Thus, delegation is limited to administrative, supervisory, and enforcement functions rather than legislative or policy-making powers. 2. Conditions, limitations, and control over delegated powers. Delegation granted under Section 458 is not absolute. The central government may specify the scope and extent of delegated authority, conditions and restrictions under which powers may be exercised, circumstances in which delegated powers may be invoked. These conditions are formally detailed in the delegation notification. This ensures controlled exercise of authority, avoidance of misuse or excessive discretion, accountability of delegated officers' authorities. Delegation does not mean abdication of responsibility. The central government retains supervisory control and can withdraw or modify delegation at any time if required. 3. Transparency and parliamentary oversight. Laid before both houses of Parliament at the earliest possible opportunity after its issuance. This requirement promotes transparency and legislative monitoring. It enables Parliament to ensure delegation remains within legal limits. No excessive or unauthorized delegation occurs. The integrity of corporate governance is maintained. Thus, democratic oversight remains intact even as powers are distributed. Purpose, need, and importance of delegation under Section 458. Enhances administrative efficiency, reduces workload at the central level and prevents regulatory delays. Strengthens regional enforcement. Authorities like ROC and regional directors can promptly respond to compliance issues in their jurisdictions. Improves accessibility for businesses. Companies can approach nearby offices instead of seeking approvals exclusively from the central government. Ensures continuity of corporate governance. Specialized officers with domain expertise can handle matters effectively. Preserves centralized legislative authority. Rulemaking powers remain exclusively with the central government to ensure consistency across India. For more details, contact us.